into that jug.
So we need 50 millimeters of
into the
vinegar.
into the jug.
Right, so that's
About
that gives us our measurement.
Yeah, because it's half of the 100.
And then using the funnel, pour it into the centre of the volcano.
That's the secret. Do you have to take this off?
You take that
Be careful
off.
when you pour it.
Put it in the funnel.
Because it'll take a little while to get through.
So you pour that.
So we're just pouring it in.
Yeah, pour that in.
Go in, measure it.
Look at what you're taking, Joe, so you can see what's happening.
I know, that's what I'm doing.
There we go. So now we're done with the jug.
And we put that funnel in the jug out the way. Okay, now
Put the lid on.
now add a few drops of the red colouring.
Ooh.
So set the top off again.
Oh. Shouldn't have put that on.
I assume it's
Shouldn't have.
Oh, it's got a tiny hole in it. Just drops, okay? So just
One
you
squirt,
see it drop.
two.
Okay, 2 squirts.
It just says a few drops. A few normally two.
2 or 3. Right, so we've done all that.
Next, open the bicarbonate of soda. Slowly pour in some bicarbonate of soda. And then quickly remove the funnel. Oh, we haven't done that yet. No one wants to put the bicarb.
Well, the bicarb won't go through that if it's wet, will it now?
Let's just spoon it in. We'll have to wrap this on a bit faster, won't we?
Right, ready?
Oh, I don't know. Let me think about this. This has got a tiny hole in it. So that would, the eruption will come through that little hole.
Yeah.
Won't it?
Just hold on 2 seconds. Where's my...
Right, turn on the light for that.
Why don't we just...
So guys, yeah, we're almost done. We're just trying to do the volcano with the...
My hip flask, did you? When you...
Shall I turn on the light for that?
Right.
No, it's not going to go in.
Oh my God.
The spoon's too big for it. You need some other way of getting it in there. Like a... I think I've got one.
Guys, it's going to be extreme. Let's go find. Look for the funnel. Oh, look for the funnel. Look for the funnel. Oh, look for the funnel.
Look for the funnel. Oh, look for the funnel. I thought we had.
Comment if you see the funnel.
Yeah, the funnel we've got, Joe, it's wet now. So if we put powder into it, it will just stick inside.
Let's just put the spoon in.
It won't go through.
Go, put the spoon in. Go,
Don't
put the spoon in.
Don't put the spoon in just yet. Don't do that just yet. Just wait.
Just go, put the spoon in. Go, put the spoon in. I can't balance it. Get something to balance it. This probably will balance it. There we go, right. So guys, the experiment. Guys, we're almost doing the experiment. So it's like, it will erupt, guys, so.
Might erupt.
But we're going to see how bad it is. Can we please? Is there a funnel in there?
Yeah, but Nat says there should be. If not, we can use this little spoon.
What? What the? What? Oh, tiny spoon. Oh, there's a tiny spoon. Okay. Guys,
Now then.
I found the tiniest spoon
Now, be
ever.
careful with this because what's it's going to
Go.
start to react
Hold it, Joe.
quite quickly. So if you get that and be ready to put this straight on. No, let me show you.
No.
Oh,
Like that.
So hold it properly.
that's what I'm doing.
Right. Oh,
It can fit a tiny
You
bit in.
get most of it. No, you won't big it.
let me.
Oh, a tiny bit fell on the volcano.
About.
Ooh! Close it.
Go, move.
Oh, the cameraman's moving as well.
Guys.
Oh my God, it's erupting.
It's pink. It's dribbling.
I don't like that. How dare you
The
do
lava
that to
coming
me?
wants.
How dare you do that to me?
The baking soda's like, help me! I'm about to die.
Why is that bottle of vinegar so near the edge of the table?
I
It's not
don't.
vinegar. It's it is, yeah. Right.
Oh, there's loads coming out.
Oh no, I don't want to.
Oh, it's coming out fast now.
Oh my god.
Woo!
It's only coming out that way. It's only coming out of the left
One way,
side.
Yeah, yeah.
I expect all the powder's gone to one side.
Oh, it looks like a milkshake.
Oh yeah, an exploding
That red
one.
dye is very strong, isn't it?
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Guys, I think it's gonna go off into the table.
There's a leakage here. I'm just gonna watch the show right now.
Up close view.
It's easy enough.
Oh, it's actually spilled. It's like yogurt spilling. Oh, is that someone's yogurt?
Oh my word.
Oh,
It's gonna come off the table.
Oh, it's slowing down now.
Oh,
Yeah, running down now.
it's slowing down.
That's still
Right.
dropping. That looks like a giant brain. That's like a brain.
Stick my finger in there.
Yeah, bring my finger in there.
Joe put his finger in it.
No, I didn't. I was like this.
I should go and wash it. But it's alright. It's only vinegar.
No, I was only like that.
The red dye on your clothes.
No, I was only like that.
Okay. just-
Right, so
all
got-
I'm saying is rinse your finger, don't wipe
Okay,
it on
I'll
your
hold it.
clothes.
So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe and like for more videos, and I will see you later. Bye.